How to add iPhone frame to your Figma project. I'm using the Mac, but it should work also in browser or Windows. So all you need to do is to just open your Figma project, and once you are here, press F on your keyboard, and it's gonna open you these options. If you don't wanna use keyboard, down here is this second option, so simply click it, and on the right you can find iPhone layout or iPhone frame. Here is the iPhone 17. It's the same like iPhone 16 and 17 Pro. As you can see, the iPhone 16 is a little bit smaller. You can choose which you want. For example, iPhone 17 frame, simply click it and it's gonna add you that frame to your Figma project, and now you can use it. If you want to preview that frame, make sure to click this play button or present, wait until it's loaded, and now go to that frame, and this is it. So that's how you can do it. You can close it here, and that's how you can do. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.